Hi, Dr. Mark Vaughan with the Auburn Medical Group, talking about remote patient monitoring and blood pressure monitors. This is really a video intended for either physicians or office managers who are thinking about doing remote patient monitoring, RPM, with your patients, specifically for blood pressure monitoring. I put out a video before showing one of the units that's used quite often for it, the cardio arm. We've had some frustration with it with a lot of patients who, especially since it's a Medicare program, they don't necessarily have either a Bluetooth device or have the capability of remembering their Apple ID when they're supposed to download the cardio app. There's a way to get around that, and that's to have the blood pressure unit send the readings directly through cellular's phone service to a central processing that allows the physician's office to access that information. And that's exactly what we have with this product put out by a company called Fora, or ForaCare, and they have the D40g, which not only has a blood pressure monitor, but it also has a glucometer built into it that sends readings, both for the blood pressure and the glucose readings, through a cellular phone signal so that you can get it on their dashboard. You have to pay for the cellular service per patient for the unit. It's somewhere in the range of $19 a month. The units, unless you buy them in bulk, will cost $160. It does simplify the process. You can have this set up so that the patient only has to hit a single button to have their blood pressure taken, even if it's off. They just hit a single button, takes their blood pressure, and then after the blood pressure reading is given, and it says it, there's a voice feature to it, then it transmits the reading to the cellular service, and then it shuts itself off. So think about that. Some of your patients that have high blood pressure, all they have to do is put on the cuff correctly, sit quietly in the right position for a few minutes, hit one button, and it does the whole job, turns itself off. It has a rechargeable battery. It comes with a charger that's included in the little case that comes with it. It's worth looking at. I am also going to be putting out a video and a podcast, our CCM Pace podcast, talking about yet another cellular product. So you may want to listen to all of these before you jump in with both feet. But we have talked about the cardio in the past. Today we're talking about the Fora D40g. That's the model number for this. And then in the future, we'll talk about one called BioTel. Hey, thanks for watching.